Standing at the station, I am waiting for a train to take me to the border and my loved one far away. I watched a bunch of soldiers heading for the war. I could hardly even bear to see them go. Rolling through the countryside, tears in my eyes. We're coming to the border, and I'm ready with my life. And in the early morning rain, I see her there. And now I have to say goodbye again. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. And it's breaking my heart. I know what I must do. I am a country calling, but I wanna be with you. I'm taking my side. One of us will lose. Don't let go. I wanna know that you will wait for me until the day. There's no borderline. No borderline. Walking past the border guards, reaching for her hand.